The nature of love. When I was little, I wondered if I really loved anyone, not sure what love was, not knowing it was the name of what I wanted more of and what I already had, what I felt when the ice cream truck played my favorite song, or when the man with the wooden vegetable wagon let me feed his horse, or when my mother came home smiling in her embroidered blouse, or when I ran into the waves and jumped, was carried up, across, and down again, my feet landing on the same sandy bottom. Love was the sweet syrup at the bottom of the cup, and being swung and swung around, like flying, like roller skating, the sidewalk vibrating in my bones, body music I made, rolling down the street under God and all the angel sky. Learning about love more than 50 years later. If you were looking, would you have seen me lost in a strange city? How did you know I was lost? You must have been looking for me all the time to know to find me when no one knew I was lost. You were always looking for me. I understand that now. Final words. Love me are my last words. I would be a better person if I said I love you or only uttered love. It would be a prayer, a supplication to this grand experience called life. But love me is what I feel, what my greedy heart desires and goes back for second helpings. Love me is what all the other hearts say. I hear them behind faces of cool indifference of hooded teenagers, the half-asleep elders after senior center lunches, the weightlifters wiping sweaty foreheads on gym towels, the punished child walking to the principal's office, or the studied blank faces of bus passengers and the eager faces of tourists. Love me, humanity cries, that even floods, hurricanes, and bombs can't silence. Splendid summer, Octo. Splendid summer smiles upon me, wonderful weather where I walk, following fun folks where they tread, water, sand, rock, and earthly soil. Even sprinkling showers can't spoil following fun folks where they tread, water, sand, rock, and earthly soil. Splendid summer smiles upon me. Be fearless. Choose love. Fear of computer viruses, terrorists, planetary extinction, epidemics, urban crime, drug lords owning governments, torture, a commonplace weapon, and humanless drones with only a button to push to explode life to smatters and splinters, only a law to pass to steal it all. Fearless love is the only defense. Greedy power in my face, like in yours, wants to make us forget, but we cannot forget this nagging feeling hardwired in the bones, wanting to belong snugly in the nest of our planet, be fully accepted because we exist, not for our licenses, documents, and wealth. From this innate primordial desire comes our fearless love, peeking around the polluted rubble of destruction, the abandoned gas stations, the poisoned waterways. We look beyond and see other heads bobbing up and down, beaming the signal, calling us to show our fearless love in the face of everything. Fearless love the daily challenge. Ready or not, it is here.